Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a little DESTASH, I guess, of trims and ribbonish stuff. I have this bag of gold. It is nothing's tangled in here. It's just in this bag of all like golds. And there are the sample trims from Hobby Lobby last year. I've used a couple, but there's 2 packs in here. That's what this consists of. Then I have some of this like lacy style. This is not elastic or anything. This is what it looks like. And it's probably about 1 inch wide, 1 1/4 wide. And I don't even know how much that is. Several yards, I'm assuming. Then this one's more of like a mauve. This is what it looks like. There's not a lot of this one. Right here. Then we have this one. It's got like heart detailing on the inside. This is like a weird, I don't know what material this stuff is. I remember getting it in a pack specifically for some bow trim that I wanted in this pack. But this is what it looks like. There's this one. It's like swirly-ish. Then this one right here, this little sampler is, it's hard to see. Bird cages. You can easily cut these apart and make them trim. This is about 2 feet of this red, like, I don't even know what this material is called. Red organza? Not organza, I don't even know. I'm not, chiffon? So there's that, and you can cut apart, make those flowers. Then I have this red lace right here. It's got the double scallop on both ends. As you can see, a really good amount of that in there. Then I have some purple, a good decent amount. As you can tell, it rolls up several times. Just trying to get the detail of it on camera. So it's scalloped on one edge and straight on the other. Next is this mauve. There's a lot of this. I don't even know how many feet or yards. Double scallop, just like the red one, but in like a mauve pink. Then I have this gold one, big bundle. It's got like white ivory-ish color and then gold on the bottom scallop part, and this is really tiny, probably like 1/4 of an inch or maybe 1/2 an inch, somewhere in between. Then this one, a ton of this color, like a dark burgundy. It's got the double scallops. And then this hot pink pom-pom trim. There's a I accidentally ordered 2 of these, so this is one of them. It's a bigger pom-pom. Then I have this one. Let's see here if I can pull it out. It's got like little dangle detail. Like this is like definitely more of like an applique style material. I don't know what that's called. So you can see I got a little wound up bundle of that. Then I got this one. It's like a really soft tulle or mesh, more like it. And then it's got these heart appliques at the bottom, like embroidery hearts. And this is probably about 2 feet, 2.5 feet of that. Then I have this one. It's just like probably like 1 foot or maybe 2 feet of this one. It's like a double mauve and cream. Then this mauve, probably like 1 foot or 2 feet. Little sampler of that one. This one's probably like nothing, 1 foot. This double pink scalloped. Then a lot of this red one. It's got double scallops. It is different from this one. As you can see, it's a little bit skinnier and different detail. Then probably like a sample of this, whatever the heck this is. Try to get it out. It's got like a ruffled maroon dark burgundy color. Then I have this one. It's just like the red one that you can cut apart. Probably same 2.5 feet of that. Then this one with like a ivory and peach color. It's got a layer of like the ivory, the peach, and then the white on the top. Probably 2 feet of this. Then this one, it's got little butterflies and suns on it, like a little sampler of that. And then this one's like the flower. You could easily cut those apart. This one's got the flower as well. These are like a plasticky, I don't know like what this is made of, synthetic something. And then this one's got like a tiny little like daisy style flower trim. Then this one, I've wrapped it around a clothespin. It's like trim like this. And it's got the little flower appliques with these style of flowers, whatever this material is. And then a pearl stitched in the center with the little dangles hanging down. Super pretty. Probably a couple feet of that. Then this one, probably a couple feet. It's got the ivory with the peach on top, just 2 layers of lace. This one had 3. And then we have, that's wrapped around a clothespin, and I kind of just pinch it on the end. This one is a white version, kind of like this, but without the dangles. And this is like a creamy ivory-ish, yellowish, like here's compared to like the ivory. And then here's compared to the white, and then here's this one. Definitely a cream color. Then we have this one. It's the pink, like, if I can find the end. It's the one from Michaels. Oh, here we go. There we go. There it is, and it just dangles down like trim. This is just the end part. Then this little sampler of like, I don't even know what this is. This is really wide, 2 inches thick of the dark burgundy, probably a couple feet of that. And then we have like this peachy pink color. Let's pull a little sample. It's got the scallop, or kind of a scallop at the end, not really. It's about 1 inch wide, 1.5 inches, 1 1/4 inches. As you can see, compared to the other colors, it's like a peachy pink. Like this one's really pink, but this one's like a peachy pink. Then this one, probably like a foot of this baby doll pink lace. Then this is like crochet style. As you can see, probably like 3-4 feet of this. Did I go over this one? This one's like a purpley color, as you can tell, compared to like a in between mauve and purple. Mauve and pink mixed would have this one. And there is an abundance of that one. Then we have this one. It's got the mauve and the like ivory lace cream color on the very top. Just 2 layers of that, probably a couple feet of that. Then we have this one. It's got the layers of the black, the mauve, 3 different layers of the lace. Couple feet of that. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Probably like 3 feet of that. And then we just have this white lace right here. It's got the little detail at the bottom. And this one kind of has like some little frays. Well, actually they just came off, so maybe it's just from being mixed around with all the other guys. Okay, so this will be $30 shipped. If you were interested, please email the email I will have listed down below. Wait for my reply that you did win this little lace/trim bundle, and then I will get your information and tell you to send the money over. All right, bye guys, catch you on the next video.